So Julie's going to show me how to cook fish.
Not that I'm an expert,
Well,
but I do like fish.
it's my nemesis.
And
I'm terrified of cooking fish. But I thought we've got the Auto Wilda griller, and you know, that overfired broiler type thing. It should be
Should make it fairly easy. So
Yeah.
here's my plan.
and tasty.
Hopefully.
What's the plan?
Plan. I'm going to start by prepping my fennel and tomatoes. I'm going to cut the meat down in half and prepare them for the grill. Put some oil on them. Salt in the fennel. Salt and pepper on the tomatoes. Then they'll be ready to grill.
Okay.
Then I'm going to slice up some lemon. Chop up some dill. Stuff it in the fish. And then hopefully pin it closed in a beautiful, graceful fashion.
Good luck with that.
Yeah, I'm not guaranteeing that. And then again, put it in the grill. Same kind of thing as before. Should take a couple minutes each side.
And there you have it.
Fish, just like that.
Grilled fish dinner. That was pretty simple.
Yes, it is.
What kind of fish is that?
Snapper.
Excellent.
Shall
Let's eat. To the table. See you guys next time.